Welcome back to MC's Kitchen Outdoors, folks. As you can see, we got the fire pit going. It's a hot day, but I'm cooking on this today. I got some nice pork chops, some boneless pork chops, marinating. They've been marinating for a couple hours already. They are going on the fire pit today. We're cooking over real wood today. So we're looking forward to that, and we're just trying to do a little more yard work, a little bit here and there, just to clean up and get stuff done. So this is what I'm looking forward to tonight. Got some pork chops, we're gonna have some rice and a veg. We are going to burn a lot of wood for now. I'm not cooking for like another hour and a half. 5:30, 6 o'clock is when I'm gonna cook. So I wanna get a good hot coal bed. So we're just dumping a lot of wood in here. I threw some pine in here just to get it hot, get it going, so that when I put the hardwood in, which I just started to do, the hardwood will burn and give us some nice good coals. So we have, I don't know, about, it's what, 4:15 now. I figure if we cook at 6 o'clock, we got an hour and 45 minutes to get this bed of coals nice and good. All right, folks, we're gonna do some a little bit of adjustment here on this. I need to, here, let me use this one. Need to spread that out a little bit so we get an even bed of coals all along this whole thing. And I want to get some more, keep this here because I'm going to need that. We'll get some more hardwood on here. That didn't go where I wanted it. Yeah. I enjoy cooking over wood. It's just, it's not easy. It can cook things real quick on you, and you end up with a raw piece of meat on the inside and crunchy on the outside. You got to be careful. It's a lot tougher to cook like this than it is to cook on a smoker or over charcoal. I actually screwed up a meal about a week and a half ago over charcoal. I wasn't paying attention. It was my own fault. I had a couple of nice not thin, but thinner chuck steaks, bone-in chuck steaks, and it flamed up. The charcoal flamed up on me, and I didn't know it until it was too late, and the steaks were just burnt to a crisp, completely burnt to a crisp. I wasn't paying attention. My own fault. Completely ruined the meal. Yeah, I was pissed at myself. But we're gonna try this out tonight, see how this works, because I think, especially in the winter, I think I'm going to do a lot of this. I'm getting a real good blue smoke off of this. I'm liking the smoke I'm getting off this. But so far, I'm liking the way this is looking. It's doing really good. I got some good hot coals down there. I just got to keep them going. We are not putting any more wood on here. We have enough wood on here. We're just going to keep shifting it around to get it to burn down to complete coals. And it is, I don't know, 5:30, 5:40. So I figure with what I have right here is we're looking at 6:30 dinner. I have the rice on already. I just have to cook the vegetables. The rice is in a rice cooker, so we don't have to worry about that. That's going to do its own thing. The vegetables I'll throw in a pot, and a few, they're canned. Throw in a pot, heat it up, we're good to go. I just want to make sure that we're down to just pretty much coals when I go to cook the pork chops. So we're going to give this a little bit more time. We've been cleaning off the top of it, lowered the grill just so it can burn off whatever might be on there. Basically sanitizing it at this point. So we have our rice done. I have the vegetables ready to go. That's going to take literally 5 minutes. But here is our meat. We have 6 pork chops in here, boneless, in a marinade. Proprietary blend. I'm not telling you what's in it because it's some of my good stuff. So let's go ahead and, whoa, damn smoke. Let's go ahead and get this on the grill. Oh, those look good. Those look good, folks. Nice thick cut, about 1 inch thick. Yep, I took the pork loin. And butchered it myself. And we have some leftover liquid here. We're going to leave right here. I'm going to pour it over the top of it when I turn them. We're good to go, folks. We are cooking. We are cooking. That looks good, don't it? There we go. Look at that. How good does that look, folks? All right. How are we doing? How are we looking? Looking pretty good. No flame ups. I don't have it too low over the coals. I'm going to turn these often because I don't want to burn any one side. Looking good. A little bit more over the center part of the coals. Should be good there. Oh, we're getting some dripping. That's what I like to see. That's fat rendering out. These pork chops, I left a nice little fat cap on them when I cut them, when I butchered them. So there's a nice little fat cap on them. All right, let's turn these over. Oh, that looks good. Oh, yeah. That looks really good, folks. Oh, we got good color on there. And we'll go ahead and throw some more of this marinade. I don't want to warm my beer up, so we'll put it down there. Go ahead and throw some more of this marinade right on there. Be careful with it, because we don't want to start a flame up. And we'll turn them probably one more time, maybe 2. Let that soak right back in to the meat. There we go. Get rid of this. We'll go ahead and throw this in the garbage pail that the bear keeps attacking. There's a smell coming off of here, the smoke, the meat, the marinade, all of it together just smells really, really good. Now I'll try and get some more coals in here. You know what? Moved them around enough. I think we're good. There we go. Yeah, we're good. Doing corn and peas for a veg. You guys sit there and watch my meat for me. Okay, they're not ready to turn yet. Well, some of them are. We're going to throw this one to the back here a little bit. Yep, we'll get this one to the back. Let this one go, move up a little bit. This one move up a little bit. This one move up over to here, and we'll get them flipped. There we go. Woo, that's hot, folks. That's hot. All right. Let them cook a little bit more with that marinade, that extra marinade. I want to get these fat caps more towards the center. I'm not flipping the pork. I'm just getting the fat more towards the center of the heat. This way the fat can cook a little bit more. Render down and crisp up, because fat, nice crispy fat, oh, you can't beat it, especially pork fat. Oh, it's delicious. I'm liking the way this is turning out. There we go. There we go. I'm really liking the way this is turning out, folks. So far, so good. Should have a nice smoky flavor to it, because this is not going to take much longer to cook up. Perfect. That side's done. That side's done. That side's done. That side's done. Good, good, good. Oh, yeah. Okay, folks. So, we have about 5 minutes, and this pork is done. All right, folks. So, what do you think? What do you think about this style of cooking? Especially at home. Out in the woods, when you're out camping, this works great. Typically, you're not using something like this. Sometimes you have a fire ring where you can contain everything. Sometimes you have to put some rocks around in a circle to contain it, or you just have an open fire. But what do you think about seeing more videos with cooking like this, in this style? Where I'm cooking the meat. I mean, I can cook other things on here too. If I want to take it even further, I can. What is your thought? You guys tell me. In the meantime, smash that subscribe button. Come on, subscribe to the channel. Once I get settled, we'll go ahead and stoke this back up, especially to clean this grill off. I need to clean that grill off. Let me go inside and feed us, and I'll be right out for the taste test. All right, folks. So here we have it. Pork chop, yellow rice, some peas and corn right over the top of the rice, yellow rice that I made, a little Spanish yellow rice. And the rice with the veg, really good. Taking the rice, taking the veg, and putting it right over the top of the rice. Really, really good, folks. All right, time to try this pork. A little bit of fat, and some pork. Oh, we look really good, folks. And this is one of the thickest cut ones. Look really good. Oh, great flavor. A little bit of spice, a little bit of heat. Oh, that's really good, folks. So, we're going to sit here. We're going to eat our dinner. Get the fire going again. Get it set up for another movie night tonight. Mmm. Mmm. Juicy, not dry. Tons of flavor. Good smoke. Some real good smoke on that, folks. Oh, I'm going to have to start doing that more often again. I used to do it all the time. Always loved it. Especially if you have the right marinade for it. Right marinade to go with smoke. Way to go. Especially over wood. Oh, that is so good. Oh, I'm gonna go ahead and enjoy this meal. Probably gonna have a second piece of pork. Watch the end of this. The golf. It's a beautiful Sunday. Gorgeous out. And I don't know if you guys saw a short that I put up a week ago for the pork stock that I made with the leftover ham, and the rice was cooked with a jar of that pork stock. Absolutely tons of flavor. Absolutely delicious. Absolutely delicious. If you have an opportunity to make rice with stock instead of water, go ahead and do it. It's so much better, creamier, more flavor. You can't beat it. All right, folks. I'm gonna get to eating here. I'm gonna cut these off. We'll see you later. Maybe you'll be back for the movie night. Maybe you won't. If not, thanks for watching. Please subscribe. And as always, we'll see you on the next one. And stay safe. Thanks for watching Etsy's Kitchen and Outdoors. Bye-bye.